So for number 47, it's kind of asking me to come up with my own diagram and everything like that to solve this problem. So it's telling me that in angle ABC, I have ray BX is in the interior of the angle, and it tells me the measure of ABX is 12 more than 4 times the measure of angle CBX. And then the measure of angle ABC is 92 degrees. So I'm going to kind of, if I know that angle ABC is 92 degrees, I'm going to make it kind of look like slightly bigger than a right angle. So I'm going to say that this is from here to here. This is my angle ABC. Just created it. A, B, C. All right, so that's 92 degrees. And then it says that BX is in the interior of the angle. I'm just going to create some ray BX. And it says that the measure of angle ABX is 12 more than 4 times the measure of CBX. All right, so in order to represent that, I'm going to call CBX I'm just going to call this angle X. From here to here, just angle X. And then I'm going to call this, from here to here, 12 more than 4 times that would be 4x plus 12. Because if that one is angle X, the other one is 12 more than 4 times that. So 4 times X plus 12. And I know the entire thing is 92 degrees. So from here all the way to here is 92 degrees. And then it wants me to set up an equation, draw a diagram. So I drew a diagram. A is good. And then B, write and solve an equation to solve for the measure of angle ABX and the measure of angle CBX. So in order to do that, I'm going to add together both those angles and set them equal to 92, because I know that 2 parts make a whole, and I know that the entire thing is 92. So I'm going to say 4x plus 12 plus x equals 92 degrees. 4x plus x gives me 5x, plus 12 is 92, minus 12, 5x equals 80, divide by 5, I get x equals 16. So I'm not actually done yet, but I know that x equals 16, so when I plug that back in to here and here, I'm going to find the measures of my angles. The measure of angle CBX, that's just x, and I know that x equals 16, so the measure of angle CBX is literally just 16 degrees. And then the measure of angle ABX, it's going to take a little more math. Measure of angle ABX. That one is 4x plus 12. I know that x equals 16, so I'm plugging in 16 for x here. All right, 4 times 16 is going to give me 80. 80 plus 12. Wait. I'm sorry. 4 times 16 does not give you 80. What am I doing? 4 times 16 actually gives you 64. So 64 plus 12. There we go. 76 would be the measure of that angle. Okay. So I have the measure of angle CBX, I have the measure of angle ABX, and now it told me from the beginning that the entire thing was 92, so I'm going to check my work. I'm going to say, does 76 plus 16 give me 92 degrees? Let's check it. 76 plus 16, that gives me 92. Yes, so I was correct. So this is one of the answers, this is one of the answers, and I did B. Check.